My name is Sai Prashant. Today, I would like to discuss about types of at-grade intersection. Firstly, we will look into introduction. An intersection is an at-grade junction where two or more roads or streets meet or cross. Intersections may be classified by the number of road segments, traffic controls, or lane designs. These are mainly divided into three types. They are road segment, traffic control, and lane design. Next, firstly, we will discuss about road segments. Road segment is one way to classify intersection is by the number of road segments that are involved. A three-way intersection is a junction between three road segments. A T-junction when two arms form one road, or a Y-junction, the letters also known as a fork, if approached from the stem of the Y. A four-way intersection or crossroads usually involves a crossover of the two streets or roads in areas where there are blocks, and in some other cases the crossing streets or roads are perpendicular to each other. However, two roads may cross at different angles in a few cases. The in few cases, the junction of two road segments may be offset from each when reaching an intersection, even though both ends may be considered the same street. Six-way intersections usually involve crossing of three streets at one junction. For example, a crossing of two perpendicular streets and diagonal street is rather common type of six-way intersection. 5, 7 or more approaches to single intersection such as at 7 dials London are not common. Next, now we will move on to second type, that is traffic control. Another way of classifying intersections is by traffic control technology. Uncontrolled intersections without signs or signals, or sometimes with warning signs, priority, right of way. Rules may vary by country. On a four-way intersection, traffic from the right often has priority. On a three-way intersection, either traffic from the right has priority again, or traffic on the continuing road for traffic coming from the same or opposite directions. That which goes straight has priority over that which turns off. Yield controlled intersection may or may not have specific yield known as giveaway signs in some countries. Stop controlled intersections have one or more stop signs. Two-way stops are common, while some countries also employ four-way stops. Signal controlled intersection depend on traffic signals, usually electric, which indicate which traffic is allowed to proceed at a particular time, and this traffic coming from the opposite direction, that which goes straight as priority over that which turns. Now, next type of this is lane design. A traffic circle is a type of intersection at which traffic streams are directed around a circle. Types of traffic circles include roundabouts, mini roundabouts, rotatories, stop, control circles, and signal control circles. Some people consider roundabouts to be distinct type of intersection from traffic circles, with the distinction based on certain difference in size and engineering. A box junction can be added to an intersection, generally prohibiting entry to the intersection unless the exit is clear. Some intersections employ indirect left turn to increase capacity and reduce delays. The combines a right turn and U-turn, lefts diverge to right, then the curve to the left, converting a left turn to a crossing maneuver similar to throughabouts. These techniques are generally used in conjunction with a single control intersection, although they may also be used at stop control intersection. Next, other design include advanced stop lines, parallel flow and continuous flow intersection, hook turns, guarants, Siegel intersection, slip lanes, staggered functions, Texas TS, Texas U-turns, and its variants like turbo roundabouts, bodies and distributing circuits like traffic circles, right in or right out, RRO intersections, stop control circles, and signal control circles. Some people consider roundabouts to be distinct type of intersection from the traffic circles based on the certain district type of intersection from traffic circles based on certain difference in the size and engineering. A box junction can be added to an intersection, generally prohibiting entry to intersection unless the exit is clear. Some intersections employ indirect turns to increase capacity and reduce delay, and other designs include parallel flow and continuous flow, hook turns, etc. And this is all about the lane design. Thank you.